you doing, guys, today? I hope so you're keeping well. And today we are in the Sidemen Wapa Di Ume hotel, and we're gonna have a weekend.
We will have a weekend getaway for 2 days, 1 night, and then we will explore Sidemen area, how beautiful it is, you know, in East Bali.
And it's very beautiful, by the way.
Wow. So we already finished check-in, and now, as usual, the hotel has a you know, whenever you came into the hotel, they have like a blessing. Oh, nice. Oh, so I'm already blessed.
Alright, so we are already in the restaurant. I will show you the guys the hotel, but one thing what I'm super excited is, as this is just reopening and we are the first guests here, and it's completely nobody in this resort. So could you believe we have just full entire resort just for ourselves? I can fly drone, I can record whatever I want. We are like you know, it's nobody here. I can sit wherever I want, I can do whatever I want, you know?
So yes, exactly, we feel like we own the resort. Sorry to say, but we feel like, but you know, we are the special one, the special guest only coming.
Lifetime experience, you know. It's just impossible to, in the normal situation, to be only one person in the resort. By the way, check this out. This is beautiful pool, jungle, rice field. It's a river somewhere over there. We will go tomorrow to the river, by the way. And I will show you the guys the resort around. And we're still waiting for our villa. We got villa actually, right?
Yes, we got a pool, villa with the pool, private pool. Wow.
So this is our villa, as you see, with private pool, view, sounds, nobody here. And this is kind of luxury villa, not kind of, this is luxury villas in Sidemen area. And I will quickly show you around one more time. It's a little bit messy now, but this is how it is, right? So this is the nice bed, very comfy. Room is quite big. Here you have like a table, desk, big mirror. By the way, very big mirrors in this villa. Some couch. The bathroom is super cool. Here is the bathtub. Water is coming when you wanna have a bath, with the very nice view of the bamboo. And anyway, the area over there. Big mirror and the shower, and this is the Balinese style of shower outside, as you can see. Very cool.
Alright, so I already get changed. Now I really want to go to the gym. I really need exercise.
Okay, let's
see
go.
how it is.
Let's go, let's see. Right, so the gym is located just to the next to the pool, and behind pool is the river, so I don't know if you can hear the sound of the nature here. And we will go to the inside the gym and let's see how it is there. And of course, like I said before, the private gym.
Only for us.
Only for us, as you can see.
I already finished doing exercise in the gym. Wow, I feel so good. It's really good, you know, to keep healthy in this situation.
Okay, so Winnie is after training and
yeah, I feel so tired, and now I will get changed and then we will explore how the resort is.
Alright, it's time for the lunch. I forgot my sandals actually, so I borrow from the hotel and yeah, looks like this. And we have a problem to lock the door. Okay, come in, come in, come in. So we have a little bit problem with the keys. It's okay.
Let's go.
You got this?
Yeah, let's go.
Alright, so we're gonna have a lunch. And yeah, in sleeping
next
Gaja.
to our room.
Oh, and I just forgot the room, the villa is here and the restaurant is here. So at least don't need to work too much today.
Yeah. And then you see how the restaurant is. Okay.
Safety first. Thank you. And you know what is the best thing? And you can sit wherever you want because
Because we are the only one guest here.
and we will sit there full front.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Grogi beli. Tenang beli, masuk YouTube habis ini beli. He's a little bit nervous.
Don't be stressed. It's okay. Only we are here, so it's okay. No stress. So we go the
Mie goreng.
and I got, what do you think, guys? Like always.
Yes, the Hawaiian
Pizza.
pizza. Yeah.
Thank you
Yes,
so
my pleasure.
much. Thank you. Smacznego.
Smacznego.
Thank you.
Yes, and enjoy.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So now is the time for a little bit of work for Winnie. I will use this opportunity to edit my video for today. Yes, Winnie?
Now it's time for us to work.
Hi sayang.
Hi. Wow. I don't know what to say. This place is incredibly amazing. Wow. This is hidden gem in Bali. I really love this place. Really, it's really natural getaway on the Sidemen. Wow, what a beautiful day today, right? I just finished my dinner and this place is very amazing place in Sidemen. The food so amazing. Wow, I really like this place.
And of course I also very like the place, and can you hear the sound of the river, and so peaceful. So I think that will be enough for today's vlog.
This place is, this place is recommended for you guys if you want to find out the place to do a sweet escape, and then you just want to find a place, want to be with your partner, just be you and your partner. I think this is the best place for you.
And escape from the hustle and bustle what you can find in the city.
Alright, so I think that's all for today, our vlog today. So thank you that you already following us from the beginning when we already check in until now at night, and then we just chill out in the hotel. But yeah, tomorrow you have to wait for the tomorrow one will be our adventure in Sidemen. Okay, thank you for watching, and then please like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.